Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Myself Rachit, and you're watching Rachit Zone. So today I'm going to show you how to draw stunning shapes using Python Turtle in just 5 minutes. Whether you are a total beginner or a seasonal coder, you will love how easy and fun this is. Stick around to the end for a pro tip that will make your designs even more unique. Alright, first of all, grab your Python IDE and let's get started. Alright, so first thing first, make sure Python is installed on your computer. If you don't have it, head towards the python.org. It's a website. You can download it and install it. It's a completely free. Next, we will import the turtle library just as follow. Just follow my steps. Like I will create a new file and I will give it as a main.py. And first of all, you have to import the library. Import turtle like here. Okay, I just imported my library, that is turtle. If you don't have this library, just open the terminal, create a new terminal and just click pip install turtle and hit that enter. So here it will take some time to install this library. As you can see, it's already satisfied. That means I have already installed it, so here come required already satisfied. Alright, so the turtle is the building library in Python that helps you to create a beautiful graphics with just a few lines of code. Let's make some so let's start with something simple like I will create one square. So I will give this turtle as a t is equals to turtle dot turtle. Okay, so I just make this turtle into as a t. uh Everyone knows this what I have done. So I will make a condition like for in range. Okay, for in range, sorry, I just missed the this one. Okay, for in range I will make this as a 4 because square has a 4 sides. So this condition, in this condition I will take this t, that means turtle has forward. Okay, that means it goes in forward ways. I will give this forward as 100. After that I will make this as a t as right. That means it go first, it will go forward and it will turn right. So right means downwards. I will give as a right as a 90. Okay, so I will give as a 90. So that's it. I will save it and I will run this, and boom, here is your square. Okay, see how easily that was. The loop keeps things clean and repetitive, so you don't have to manually repeat those commands again and again. Means for making this square you can use this, only this one two three, these three lines you can create a square. Amazing graphical design. Now let's create something more eye-catching. We will use a loop to draw a colorful flower pattern. So let's make this. Okay, so I will just cut this and I will go here and dot t dot speed. I will give speed. Speed basically used for the pen speed that draws. I will explain you afterwards. So t dot space and I will give as a color. Now we will select the colors. Sorry, don't need this. Color is equals to, I will give this in. Okay, so I have given you a color that is red, blue, green, yellow, purple and orange. Afterwards I will make a condition that is for in range. Okay, so I have written the code. Just minimize it. Okay, so I have just written the code. I have given the condition like for I in the range 36, t dot colors I length colors. So basically it will create a circle in colorful form. I will show the output like here. Here you can see making a circle and going round and round and round. So I will run and you see, as you can see this one. Okay, so basically this is the output of this code. As you can see, the basic things are this one. Isn't it amazing? Only creating, giving only this 4 to 5 lines and making an amazing design in your Python turtle. For the finishing touch, let's add some text and a background color to make it stand out even more. So I will make some more things. Okay, so I have given the code. Basically it turns the background and make the Python art. So basically you can see like this output. Okay, it's not holding. I don't know why it's not holding the screen, just because of this maybe. Let's see. Okay, so let's see why it's not holding. Okay, as you can see it's holding the screen. Okay, this is the output of Python art. So you can make these basic things. Like in this code I have done nothing, just giving I have just given the background color, that is black, and make my pen up. So that means like on your book you write something and you take your pen up. So basically this command used for that. And after that, it is a goto function. This goto function gives the direction on your coordinate screen. Like I am running this output, and wherever you click like this and this, like okay, so sorry, wherever you want this text, like you want this here, here, or here, it's a coordinate system. I will explain you afterwards what is coordinate system in next upcoming part. So this function used for that. And you have given the coordinates and done for a pen down, and give it as a color for a white. And what you want to return, just give it as this, and you have to font and blah blah blah. Now your artwork has a personal touch and looks as a super professional. And that's it. In just 5 minutes you have created a stunning graphics with Python Turtle. Whether it's for a project, a fun hobby, or just impress to your friends, the possibilities are endless. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it as a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification icon to do not miss our next adventure coding. And if you like this video, and if you like to support the channel and help us to create more free content, check out for a link below. And thanks for watching. Happy coding.